Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about Power Joe Generator review? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, then please to watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this product, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please to watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. And guys, people from the United States are very curious to know about this product. So next we'll discuss about the full details of this product, so make sure to watch the video till the end and do not miss out any points. So first of all, we'll talk about the product type, then its features, and the most important point, that are the legitimacy factors. So let's begin. So first of all, we'll check the product type, and here they've given the product. So guys, after knowing about this product and after checking this product out, we have found out that this product is a battery-powered portable inverter generator. And the cost of this product is $899, but earlier it used to be $999. So you can check this out. So now we'll talk about the features of this product. So it has been mentioned that this generator can power all your devices like phones, laptops, tablets, and electronics. And it also comes with 24 volts ion plus battery and charger. It also comes with assembly tool pack and oil funnel. Also, it has got a power fuel. Also, it includes a propane hose, and it has got a 4100 watts. And the color is green, here as you can see. So next guys, we'll talk about the legitimacy factors of this product. But before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors. So first of all, we'll talk about the availability of this product. So we have checked and we have found out that this product is available in this particular website. And if you want to know about the launch date of this product, we have checked. So according to research, we have found out that this product is not very old. It is a new product, but we couldn't find the exact launch date of this product anywhere. And this product does not have any social media presence, but there are some advertisements on YouTube about this product. So you can check that out. So next guys, we'll talk about this domain's age and the trust score. So we'll talk about this website's domain age and the trust score. So we have checked and we found out that this website was registered on 21st of July 2012, which means it is a very old website. And the trust score is 86%. So it is a good sign. So now we'll talk about the most important point to judge a product, that are the reviews. So according to our research, we didn't find any single customer review, but there are some article-based review about this product and there are positive reviews. So it is a good sign. So guys, in the conclusion of the Power Joe Generator review, this product seems like a legit product. Though this product does not have many reviews, but there are some article-based review. Also, there are many advertisements on YouTube. And this website is also very old and the trust score is good. So it seems like a legit product. But we recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please to comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day.